Have you ever wondered what's inside you? A cat, a tree, or even a slice of cheese? Believe it or not, they're all made up of cells, tiny living building blocks. But not all cells are the same. In fact, there are two major types of cells in the world, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. And today we're going to meet them both and find out what makes them similar, what makes them different, and why it matters. Let's get microscopic. First up, prokaryotic cells. These are the simplest, oldest cells on the planet. They've been around for billions of years, long before dinosaurs, humans, or even jellyfish showed up. Prokaryotic comes from Greek, meaning before nucleus. That's right, prokaryotic cells have no nucleus. Their DNA just floats around in the cell, like a free spirit. They also don't have fancy cell parts like mitochondria or the endoplasmic reticulum. Just the basics: a cell membrane, cytoplasm, the jelly-like stuff inside, some DNA and ribosomes, tiny protein makers. Think of a prokaryotic cell like a tiny studio apartment. Everything's in one open room. No walls, no fancy sections. The most famous prokaryotes? Bacteria and archaea, and they're everywhere. In soil, water, yogurt, and even inside your body. Some are helpful, like the bacteria in your gut that help you digest food. Some can make you sick, but many are essential to life on Earth. Now meet the more complex cousin, eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic means true nucleus. That's because these cells do have a nucleus, a special control center surrounded by its own membrane. Eukaryotic cells are like a big, fancy house with many rooms. Each room, or organelle, has a job. The nucleus is the brain. It stores DNA and gives instructions. The mitochondria is the power plant, making energy. The ribosomes build proteins. The Golgi apparatus packages things. The endoplasmic reticulum transports stuff, and the cell membrane keeps everything safe and sound. Eukaryotic cells are found in animals, plants, fungi, and protists. That includes you, your pets, trees, mushrooms, even moldy bread. Let's compare them side by side. Feature: prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell, nucleus, no yes size, small, larger complexity, simple complex organelles, few many, DNA location floating in cytoplasm, inside nucleus. Examples: bacteria, archaea, animals, plants, fungi. So why does this matter? Because by understanding cells, we understand life. Doctors study bacteria, prokaryotes, to fight infections. Scientists use eukaryotic cells to grow organs and create medicine. Farmers use cell knowledge to grow stronger crops. Even astronauts study how cells behave in space. Every living thing on Earth is powered by one of these tiny cell types. And when you understand how they work, you unlock the secrets of biology, health, genetics, and more. Let's make it stick with a quick analogy. Imagine two restaurants. Restaurant A is a food truck. That's the prokaryotic cell. Small, mobile, no kitchen walls. Everything happens in one space. Restaurant B is a fancy dine-in restaurant, eukaryotic cell. It has a kitchen, storage room, manager's office, servers, and a security guard. Each person, or organelle, has a job. Both serve food, both work, but one is simple and quick, and the other is organized and efficient. That's the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Here's your cell challenge. Find 3 things around you made of eukaryotic cells. Can you think of something made with prokaryotic cells? Hint: you probably eat them. Yogurt, cheese, even sourdough bread use bacteria, prokaryotes. Draw a prokaryotic cell and a eukaryotic cell. Label the nucleus, ribosomes, and cell membrane. Then post or share your work with us in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell. Because next time on School Subjects Online, we're going deeper into the parts of a eukaryotic cell and exploring how each organelle keeps the cell world running smoothly. Until then, keep asking questions, stay curious, and remember, even the tiniest cells can do big things.